Hello friends, let's learn water transportation. What is water transportation? Water transportation is the means of moving people and goods from one place to another over a sea, ocean, lake, canal and river. Now we read different vehicles one by one. Let's start. Sailboat. Sailboat. Fishing boat. Fishing boat. Motorboat. Motorboat. Steamboat. Steamboat. Ship. Ship. Cargo ship. Cargo ship. Ferry ship. Ferry ship. Pirate ship. Pirate ship. Yacht. Yacht. Cruise. Cruise. Hovercraft. Hovercraft. Raft. Raft. Kayak. Kayak. Canoe. Canoe. Jet ski. Jet ski. Submarine. Submarine. Thank you friends. Please like my video. Have a lovely day.